Let's see another medium level problem from LeetCode. It is evaluate reverse polish notation. We'll see which company asked this question. So this is the list of the companies they asked this question. Let's try to understand this problem. So in this problem here, if you see, there are tokens in a string. So you'll get a array of a string where we'll have this kind of value, and when we see a plus, then we have to do 2 plus 1, 3, and then again you will see 3. So 2 plus 1 that's 3. We do the plus operation and the result is 3, and again there is another 3, and when you see multiply, then you have to multiply and you will get the answer here. So this is another very good use case of a stack, and we are going to use a stack here. So using the stack data structure will solve this problem. So in a stack, what we do, we first iterate this, and then we'll get item this and put that in a stack, get another item, put that in a stack. But if you see something like plus, minus, or multiplication or division, as soon as we get that, then get the 2 items, get this item and this item, and then whatever the operation you encounter, you do that operation and push the result back there. So that's the logic we'll do here. So simply I can just say one example, like we'll get the 2, so put that 2 in a stack, then I get 1 and put that 1 in a stack, and as soon as I get plus, then I'll remove this 2 item 1 2 and get 3 and put the 3 in a stack. Then again there's another 3, and as soon as I get star, then I'll get these 2 items from the stack and then multiply this, and the result we can push that result again in a stack, and at the end we can get the last item from a stack, and that's what we are going to return. So the logic we'll write here. So for this is a string, so we'll get the value here, just use the range here, tokens, so we'll get 1 by 1 value. So here I can check if this v equal to either plus or I can see if v equal to minus or v equal to multiplication or v equal to division. Then in this case we have to pop the item here. Otherwise else, if it is not plus, so if you get this the value, so that means if you get the value because we are not getting this operator, then we need to push this item back to stack. So for that I need a one stack, so let me create a stack here, list.new, and that's the library is a container /list, and from list new I create the stack here, and before pushing that item in a stack I want to convert this to the int. Okay, that's the number, so let me convert that. So for that there is a function string conf, then I can say a to I function, and I can pass this v, then there's a number and there is a error. So just printing the error. If in case there is an error, then we can print that empty error. If there is no error, then we got the n, and we can push that item n in a stack. So we have the stack here, stack dot push back function, and then put this n in a stack. So else person, we put whatever the item comes, we just put here. If there is a plus minus, then we need to do some operation. So let's do the operation here. In this case, I'll use the switch and v, and I check case plus. Okay, so before that, we'll do case plus, and then case minus, we'll do operation star, and then case division. So before this, we need to pop these two items from stack. So at the top, if there is a 2 and 1, then first, and I want to as soon as I get plus, then I'll get this item. So this item, I just say num1, or I can say element1, and then from stack remove stack back. So this is element1, and then the num1, that's the integer, so I need to convert that element1 dot int. So in this same way, I'll get the another item, element2. That's num2. Okay, so when I do the this, let me define one variable called result, where result, that's an int. So when I see the plus, then I need to do plus. So we got this item, but this is actually first, so we have to take this and then do this operation. In a plus, it doesn't matter, but in minus and in a division, that matters. So that's why I'm just doing result equal to element2, not element, but num2 plus num1. Here I'll do result num2 minus num1, result num2 into num1, division result num2 divided by num1. So in this way, we got the result, and when we get the result, then we need to push the result back, because we already removed the two items, and this is the result, and we push back that item. So 2 1 3. So in this case 3, and we can push that item. So stack dot push back that result. Okay, so that operation is done, and after the for loop, we'll get the last item, or there is only one item in a stack, and then that's what we are going to return. So I'll just copy this. I'll just rename this variable, that's element, and that's result, and return the result. This is element2, so here I have to do element2. Okay, let me run this. Result accepted, submit. So you can see the whole code here. And we can also see the corresponding the Java code, same logic here. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you.